For traders that have emailed and asked, the links for the free downloads are in the description box below. Just click on the link or copy and paste and put that in your browser. The 4-step method to high performance trading and the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders create the rituals, the mindset, and the winning attitude to master the markets. Bulletproof yourself with your daily routine and your habits. Force yourself to be getting better, 1% better every single day. How good can you get, traders? Again, the free downloads, the links are down below. They're both free courses. Let's get started.
Good day, traders. Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. As we begin a new year, new month, new timing cycle, I want to focus on simplicity for traders, continuing our theme from the last few months, rinse and repeat scalable opportunities. But today I'm going to walk through one great trade setup each month from the NASDAQ right out of the playbook, and just demonstrating to traders. There were multiple opportunities on weekly basis on this instrument, but just how one scalable opportunity a month over the course of 12 months. I want traders to think about the mathematics behind that and how that can significantly grow your account regardless of any size trading account. Scalable opportunities, days where it's really easy to make a lot of money, are where traders will make a lot of money and continue to make a lot of money. It's all the other trades in between, the 50-50 garbage trades, trying to read the markets and tape read and take trades every day, as opposed to focusing on scalable opportunities that ACB, they're not coming back. They ain't coming back. And when you have multiple time frames driving those moves, how those are scalable and can grow your account significantly. So if we just have a quick glance on the daily time frame, now these setups apply to any instrument, but for simplicity, we'll walk through one great trade setup a month, how those templates look, and how they hold till close. In the majority of cases, they require zero thinking, zero emotion, zero stress, and for the most part, zero management. Now these opportunities can show up on any instrument. We have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Now, if you're trading one instrument all the time, the challenge for most retail traders is actually not doing anything, but they feel compelled to trade every day. And that's what gets traders into trouble, puts them on tilt, gets them into 50-50 or less market conditions instead of focusing on actual setups that repeat. So when traders are trying to read markets, that is not a setup. That's trying to figure out where they can get in. Rinse and repeat means exactly that. A first red day, a first green day, 3 days of breakout traders in the markets, and understanding what those templates look like. Not guessing, not trying to get into a market because it broke out, but what setup did you have when it breaks out? Scalable opportunities are driven by higher time frames. We can have trend trades driven by higher time frames. We can have reversal trades where higher time frames are trapped and other time frame traders are now positioning themselves in the market for all in reversal opportunities. And we have larger trading range opportunities where we have buyers and sellers at both extremes, higher time frame buyers and sellers. The most important part to focus on each day or each week is which instruments are going to offer us the best setups. Now, a fundamental understanding of higher time frame traders is aligning ourselves with those higher time frames when those setups present, which is exactly what rinse and repeat means. The same setups month in and month out, week in and week out on any instrument. It doesn't have to be your favorite instrument, but for the purpose of today, I'm going to just show that although there were multiple opportunities over the course of the 12 months, one scalable opportunity a month on the NASDAQ would have significantly compounded your trading account. So if you struggle this year, or you blew up your account, or you won some, lost some, or you made a lot and then blew it up, made a lot, blew it up, understand that sometimes sitting on your hands and doing nothing is part of being a successful, profitable trader. Learning to hunt out the exact same setups from the playbook or from your own playbook that are easy to make money on and doing nothing else in between. but also recognizing, as we just showed, that it's the higher time frame templates that these signal days come from. First red day, first green day, 3 days of breakout traders in the markets, inside days, day zero templates. The same signals, the same setups, week in and week out, month in and month out, keeping things as simple as possible. When they're simple, you can reproduce that with ease. There's no analysis paralysis. There's no over analyzing markets to try and figure out what they're going to do. I either have a setup or I don't. These signals, these first red day, first green day, inside days, day 3 breakout traders in the markets are all based off of the daily charts. If you're not sure, open up your daily charts and walk through one day at a time until you understand that. Week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. January front side of the month gave a beautiful first green day signal for a parabolic scalable opportunity. These are all U.S. session trades. Month 1, beginning of the year, first green day signal, a scalable 5-star opportunity. January offered us a first red day from the beginning of the week, first red day signal that created the high of week, and a beautiful reversal coil Friday into our U.S. window, an ACB template. Now, traders may have took profits at the low of day level or held this till close, adjusting their stop. As we talk about a set and forget trade setup, locking in our stop after market has broke through a level, making sure that we have at least some profits, taking some profits off, or just leaving that position or positions till the close of the day, or near the close in this particular case. That is the end of the week. Beginning of a new month, another first green day signal at the closing range of the week. Friday closes out the week. A beautiful first green day template in March, all in till close. April market that had been making lower lows after breaking down. Monday, new timing cycle, beginning of a new week. A beautiful pump and dump, all in range expansion on the opening range of a new week in a market that had broken down. This is an example of where we've already had our first red day. The market has been breaking down, but we start a new timing cycle, and often traders forget that this market is already in breakout, and we have a pullback, a pump and dump template, breakout pullback for the continuation on the front side of a new week. We have 3 days of breakout traders in the markets, and we have our high of month, high of week reversal in the U.S. window, an all-in opportunity holding till close. High of month, high of week, day 3 breakout traders in the markets, an all-in reversal opportunity, a set and forget template on the back side of the week. Beginning of a new month, and the front side of a week, a market that closed in breakout, an example of where we talk about markets only do 3 things. They break out, they pull back, and they continue the trend. We have markets that break out, reverse, and fail. They're reversal trade setups. But we have an example here on the front side of a new week, a market that's closed in breakout, continuing to expand the range on Monday, day 1. A beautiful sideways coil for an ACB opportunity on the front side of a new week in a new month. July, a very similar template to what we just saw in June. Tuesday, day 2 on the front side of a week, beginning of a new month. A range expansion continuation after a first green day signal. Again, first green day, a buy low opportunity in the session or of the day, if indeed it presents a beautiful coil for an explosive trade in the direction of the first green day signal. July. Now, this is one of the setups that I love to hunt for it again in July, but we're on the back side of the month now. Thursday on the back side of a week at the high of the month, high of the week, for an all-in scalable opportunity. 3rd hour, 10 a.m. reversal. Hold till close template. A beautiful scalable pump and dump, high of month, high of week, reversal at the back side of July. Now, similar to what we just saw, we're now in August, a very similar template, Thursday, high of the week, high of the month, all-in opportunity, reversing the range, ACB, hold till close. I'm almost identical to the trade setup we just saw on the backside of July, an all-in opportunity, 10 a.m., hold till close, pump and dump template. This is a Wednesday, day 1, day 2, day 3, a low of day 10 a.m. reversal, continuing to expand the range on the front side of a new month at the midpoint range of the week. A beautiful, scalable opportunity, hold till close, dump and pump template, very similar to what we just saw, but in the opposite direction. Again, a scalable opportunity, dumping down into the low of day level, coiling and exploding for the reversal into the close of the day for September. Similar to the setups we saw in July, August, but this is a Tuesday on the front side of the week, a high of month, high of week, day 3 breakout traders in the markets, 10 a.m. collapse, all-in opportunity, hold till close, parabolic blow off, back down into the day 3 long breakout traders for October. New month, new timing cycle, November. Tuesday on the front side of a week, day 2 typically expands the range, a beautiful coil into our New York Open, our US window, coiling into the close and continuing that on day 3, day 1, day 2, day 3, expanding the range, a beautiful 5-star scalable opportunity. New month, new timing cycle for November. And December, very similar to what we just saw in November, a coiling sideways market into our US Open. Wednesday, the midpoint range of the week, exploding back through the high of the month on Wednesday, day 3, in a market that had made higher highs heading into our week. In closing, I want to emphasize to traders how understanding sitting on your hands and recognizing what a scalable opportunity is that is driven by higher time frames. If we go back and look at our daily charts, noticing that we have new month, new timing cycles and how new opportunities can begin each month. Scalable opportunities, days and setups where it's easy to make money on. Not worrying about trying to read 1-minute charts and catch a move. Opportunities that are scalable, zero stress, zero thinking, zero emotion. And no matter what anybody or anything says, does, or happens, the same setups show up again and again and again, every week and every month on any instrument. The simpler you make the process and the setup hunting, the easier and reproducible and scalable your trade setups will be. Keep it simple, traders. New month, new timing cycle, a new year. Let's make this the best year yet. These opportunities will continue to be the same month in and month out, every market. And understanding that just one of those scalable opportunities a month for 12 months, go and do the math on that and how that can compound your trading account. These are opportunities that I am willing to scale heavily into. They ain't coming back. ACB trading setups. Hunting them, trading them, and then walking away. Locking in the money, walking away, and not engaging in amateur self-sabotaging behavior. Behavior that can destroy trading accounts. Random, impulsive, emotional, 50-50 trades are not the same as rinse and repeat scalable trading setups. Keep it simple, traders. Again, make this your best year yet. Have a great day, and may the markets go with you.